Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome to yet another vlog. So this is Side Rental Vlog और आप लोग का स्वागत है मेरे चैनल पे। तो आज का जो वीडियो होगा नीट एस्पिरेंट्स जो कि क्लास 12 के बाद जो नीट होता है उनके काफ़ी सारे मैसेजेस आ रहे हैं कि सर इज BDS a good option, shall we take or not, which college is good in MP, राजस्थान, ये सब मुझे सारे डाउट्स आ रहे हैं रिगार्डिंग डेंटल कॉलेजेस। तो आज मैं बेसिकली दो चीज़ों के ऊपर वीडियो बना रहा हूँ, एक ही वीडियो में डाल दूंगा। सबसे पहले तो द फर्स्ट थिंग इज लाइक वेदर यू आर ज्वाइनिंग BDS कैरियर इज इट जस्टिफाइड और नॉट, पहली चीज। दूसरी चीज अबाउट फ्यू कॉलेजेस आई विल टेल यू विच आर गुड इनफ so that you can take admission in this. So I'll make this video in both English and Hindi so that people from South can also understand what I'm trying to say. So basically, after passing NEET, we all have an expectation that we will become doctors. If you are a science student and somehow or the other we don't want to become a doctor of animals like a veterinary surgeon, or we don't want to become a homeopathic doctor because actually people don't call them a doctor. They are doctors, they are very good doctors, but एक family issue is there and means society is of India is like that. What I feel ki the respect which MBBS doctor gets, nobody else can get that amount of respect in the society. Even if the money is there in homeopathy, Ayurveda and all, these are all very good branches with different science altogether. I'm not telling anything bad about them, but in general idea, in my mind when I was in class 12, मेरे दिमाग में ये था कि यार बनेंगे तो MBBS नहीं तो BDS, because we are dealing with allopathic medicines, right? Nobody wants to go to Ayurvedic homeopathic medicines. People want to go, but 90% of the people don't want to go. That is a reality. You have to accept it, right? Right now, I think I had made the right decision at that time by joining into BDS. But now the situation has changed to the core. Like it has totally become different. बिल्कुल अलग हो गई situation. What is the situation now? Like suppose if you're from a very poor family background, you did BDS, your parents paid for it, your parents are teachers and they get normal salary. So if you ask me ki sir shall I do BDS or not, don't do it if you ask me, because what I feel is ki after spending so much amount of money, हमारे time पे fees it was also high, because at that time in 2002 the fees was around my fees was around 85,000 for the first year, and second third final year it was 75,000, and my MDS fees was 21,000 because it was a government college. So everybody will to not get government college, many people will get private, more than 80% will get private, because in government colleges reservation is there plus category seats are there, and in government colleges it's very difficult to get also. तो गवर्नमेंट कॉलेज की बात छोड़ देते हैं. इन प्राइवेट कॉलेजेस द फीस इज अराउंड 5 to 6 lakhs इन एवरी अदर कॉलेज. एवरेज आप 5 lakhs ले लो तो 5 into 4 20 lakhs इज द कॉलेज फीस. 20 lakhs इज नॉट अ लेस अमाउंट माई गाइज. 20 lakhs ओके, कितना जीरो है उसके पीछे. एंड बिलीव मी गाइज, आज तक मैं इतने दिन से आई एम डूइंग जॉब, saving 1 lakh rupees is very difficult. So suppose your parents are paying 20 lakhs, taking loan, how much difficult it will be for them to pay your fees and all. So you did BDS, right? And after spending so much money in BDS, again you are jumping into the same dungeon by opening in a clinic. You have to again spend money. You understand what I'm trying to say? Now why I'm telling the only option of opening your clinic, because there is no other option of getting a job. A student, my juniors, even after doing MDS, they have not got jobs till now. Means they are getting very less paid. And why this is happening? Because lot of dentists are coming out of different dental colleges. हर बैच में 100 people. आप एक इमेजिन करो, आप एक BDS अभी 12th में हो, अभी आपको कुछ समझ में नहीं आएगा. Your mind is shut down when you are in class 12. Your mind is shut down. You want to become doctor, you don't want to learn about the consequences, but I am telling you the consequence. So you will do BDS, be very happy, very good college, nice. उसके बाद when you come out of the college, उसके बाद क्या होगा ना कि आपको नौकरी नहीं मिलेगी, तो आपको लगा हाँ यार MDS तो पेरेंट्स करवा देंगे, people will their parents will pay for the MDS. If you are not well settled, if your parents are like of middle class, they are teachers, they are not doing any kind of big business, then they'll take loan and somehow they love you a lot and they will put you into MDS also by paying around 30-40 lakhs for the total course fees. But really, you know, after passing out, you will realize that after I have spent so much of money in my studies, is it really worth it? Again, you have to spend for opening the clinic. Then jobs are very less now. In private colleges, teachers are not getting promotion. That is a true fact I am telling you. In some colleges, yesterday only one intern came from Modern Dental College. I never knew about that college, and I knew about that college, but I never knew that college has got shut down now. If anybody is from Modern Dental College, they know it. कि third year, fourth year में they tried to open a medical college and somehow it got shut down and because of the loss of finances and the owner is now in jail. I don't know. I'm just जो मैंने सुना वो आपको सच में शेयर कर रहा हूँ. So that guy, he was so he has not done any patient since third year because there were no teachers. Teachers were not getting paid. तो हर college का very few colleges, apart from very few colleges, maximum colleges they have reduced the salary in the corona time. My college has not reduced. It's a very good college, luckily, and by God's great gratitude. Okay, they have not cut my salary. And other colleges I have heard, like my friends are there, so they are telling that they have cut the salary and some people are not getting paid. So even after becoming professors, if you are not getting paid, so what is the use of joining this course? There are other numerous courses which are available in the market, like you can go to public relations, you can go to social welfare, आप जाके होटल मैनेजमेंट कर सकते हो, आप एविएशन में जा सकते हो, मर्चेंट नेवी में जा सकते हो, फैशन डिजाइनिंग में जो अपना पैशन है उसको करो. ये नहीं कि जस्ट बी विद द फ्लो और स्केपगोट की तरह आप भी घुस जाओ उस जगह पे. इतने सारे ऑप्शंस है, उसको एक्सप्लोर करना सीखें, थोड़ा लाइफ में रिस्क लेना सीखें. मैं यही वीडियोस में आज बोलना चाहता था. आई होप आपको ये समझ में आया है. गवर्नमेंट जॉब की जहाँ पे बात करें, गवर्नमेंट जॉब बिल्कुल कम है अभी गवर्नमेंट डेंटल सेक्टर में. हालांकि एमबीबीएस एक बहुत अच्छा ऑप्शन है. अगर आपको एमबीबीएस मिलता है तो जरूर एमबीबीएस आंख मूंझ के लीजिए, लेकिन बीडीएस अगर आप पूछेंगे तो मैं मना करूंगा अभी के लिए. प्लस कोरोना टाइम है, पेशेंट्स भी बहुत कम है अभी एंड सिचुएशन इज नॉट गोना चेंज. अगर आप लग रहा है कि जब तक आप पास आउट होंगे सिचुएशन चेंज होगा. अच्छा, आपके पहले जो पास आउट हो उनको तो अभी जॉब लगा नहीं, तो आपको कैसे जॉब लगेगा? समझ में आया कि मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ? द पर्सन्स हु हैव ऑलरेडी पास्ड आउट बिफोर यू, they are in a line for getting the job. How come you being a junior to them get the job early? Yes, if you have lots of money, you can open a clinic. Opening clinic is the only option after BDS right now, which I can see with my eyes. And in a city, if suppose you're staying in a village and you open a clinic, it's very good. A lot of patients will come to you. But if you're in a city, like in Calcutta, Mumbai, Bhubaneswar, you have to pay high rent. Again, you have to depend upon your parents to give that money to you. Pay the rent for the initial lagged phase of the clinic when you open a new clinic. Suddenly you open a clinic and patient won't come to you, right? Until and unless you have a good name and your handwork is good. Plus regarding handwork in colleges now, they don't teach you all. They will teach you in the handwork, but you won't be able to do that kind of handwork, apply that handwork in your clinic, because your clinic you need higher skills, you need to be refined, right? You need to do good work. So that is the situation of dentistry in India right now. And very difficult situation, but it will overcome within few years. If you have not watched my other video, like how many years it will take to overcome this situation, that video I have also made. Regarding some dental colleges which I say, some people were asking me which colleges are good. There are many good colleges like Harvard, then our college, Institute of Dental Sciences is good, then in East India. Then I'm only talking about private colleges. गवर्नमेंट कॉलेज का वीडियो मैं नहीं बना रहा हूँ. गवर्नमेंट में अगर आप बोलेंगे तो बहुत सारे अच्छे अच्छे कॉलेजेस हैं. ओनली प्राइवेट कॉलेजेस, SDM Dharwad, Institute of Dental Sciences Bhubaneswar. Then in north side you can go to Merit, some good colleges are there. Then Moradabad Kothiwal Dental College is good. Then if you go to the Delhi side colleges, they are not so good, but all the colleges which are in the south part of the country, southern India, like Balaji Dental College, Savita Dental College, these are all Meenakshi Ammal Dental College. Bangalore में जैसे हो गया BIDS हो गया, and then Government Dental College is very good. Then one more college I forgot the name. Vokalikora Sangha Dental College, Shamla Reddy. These are all good colleges. So if you are going to take admission in the southern parts of the country, like Andhra or Karnataka or Tamil Nadu. There you can get good education because the level of education is very good. Also in Eastern India, but all the colleges in the western side and the central India and North India, they are not as compatible good, what I feel. Okay, so this is according to me, not according to any journal or anything. Out of my experience of the students I have met. So I guess I'll end my video here. It's becoming too long. Already 11 minutes is over. So I hope आप समझ सकते हैं कि मैं क्या बताना चाहता हूँ. अगर वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो लाइक करना, सब्सक्राइब बटन है, and you can join me also and be a member of this channel by paying a very less amount of payment. It's only 30 rupees for basic member and advanced member and ultra member. Advanced के लिए आपको around 60 rupees and ultra member के लिए आपको 150 rupees पे करना होगा, and you will get special perks for that. Okay, you will get reply to your messages very fast, as well as I can socially connect with you on Instagram in sai_dental. So take care, have a very good day, and stay safe from corona.